Good morning, students. So from last 2 weeks, as I have promised, I am giving you some basic concepts. We are studying a lot from last 2 weeks. Each day we are studying some different concepts, right? So is this the way to study effectively? No. How I will know that whatever I am teaching you, you are getting them? Is there any way? So I find out a way. Today what I will do, based on the previous 14 days lecture, I will ask you some 30 questions, and what you have to do, you have to think them critically and you have to answer them in the comment section. And yes, if you get any doubt during those answer solving, you can ask me in the comment section, and in next lecture I will discuss those questions thoroughly, and I will try to correlate those questions with our previous lecture so that you can understand the lectures better and it will remain in your memory for long term, right? So what we have learned in the previous lectures, that how to study agriculture effectively, flawless effective writing technique in agriculture, basic concepts of agriculture, glimpses of Indian agriculture in 2021, then water use efficiency, nutrient use efficiency, leaf area index, harvest index, fertilizer classification and terminology, what is on, auricle and ligule, and how we can identify different crops based on these things. Then geographical coordinates and their impact on climate and crop, then CN ratio and luxury consumption. These are a lot of concepts, right? I am asking you 30 questions which you have to answer, right? So our first question is, what is the rank of agriculture with respect to sectoral GDP contribution? There are different sectors which contribute to the Indian national GDP. So what is the rank of agriculture among those sectors to national GDP, right? The answers are first, second, third and seventh. You can see here also on the screen that the question and options you can see here. So my first question is, what is the rank of agriculture with respect to sectoral GDP contribution? Options: first, second, third and seventh. The second question is, which among the following process is the first step of seed germination? Which among the following process is the first step of seed germination? Options are imbibition, enzyme activation, enzyme synthesis, emergence of radicle. Okay, next the third question for you is, which among the following is not a biotic stress affecting plant growth and development? Which among the following is not a biotic stress affecting plant growth and development? Options are wind, weed, nematode, insects. So the fourth question for you is range of wavelength, that is called photosynthetically active radiation. 200 to 300 nanometer, 400 to 700 nanometer, 700 to 1000 nanometer, 1000 to 3000 nanometer. Then fifth question, what is the length of the mainland coastline of India? Their coastline in India, so mainland coastline and total coastline, if I say, then that includes that Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar coastline also. So what is the length of the mainland coastline of India? Options are 5600 km, 6100 km, 6800 km, 7500 km. Okay. Then the cropping intensity of India in 2020-2021 is, the cropping intensity of India in 2021 is 111%, 131%, 136%, 141%. So next question, total food grain production of India in 2020-2021 is, total food grain production of our country in 2021 is 250 million ton, 278 million ton, 292 million ton, 310 million ton. Choose the right answer. Okay, the eighth question is, total horticultural produce of India in 2020-2021 is, total horticultural produce in India in 2020-2021 is 250 million ton, 310 million ton, 430 million ton, 670 million ton. My ninth question is for you is the state having highest per hectare fertilizer consumption in India is options Haryana, Telangana, Kerala, Punjab. The state having highest per hectare fertilizer consumption in India is Haryana, Telangana, Kerala, Punjab. Choose the right answer. My 10th question for you is the current fertilizer ratio of India, that is 4:2:1, 6.7:2.4:1, 9.6:3.1:1, 31.4:8:1. I am repeating the question. The current fertilizer ratio of India is 4:2:1, 6.7:2.4:1, 9.6:3.1:1, 31.4:8:1. My next question. Total numbers of KVKs in India are 590, 670, 721, 735. Then next question. What is the unit of water use efficiency? Is it liter, kg per hectare millimeter, kg per liter, or is it unitless? What is the unit of water use efficiency? Is it liter or kg per hectare millimeter or kg per liter or unitless? The 13th question for you is which among the following crops is having highest water use efficiency? Let me repeat the question. Which among the following crops is having highest water use efficiency? Is that rice? Is that wheat? Is that sugarcane? Or is that finger millet? Give me the right answer. What is the nutrient use efficiency of micronutrients? Right? Is it less than 5%? Is it 10 to 20%? Is it 30 to 40%? Or is it 50%? Let me repeat the question. What is the nutrient use efficiency of micronutrient? Is it less than 5% or 10 to 20% or 30 to 40% or 50%? Next question. For which of the following there is no need of control plot required? What do you mean by control plot? Where we are not applying any resource, right? So let me repeat the question. For which of the following there is no need of control plot is required? Is that partial factor productivity or agronomic efficiency or physiological efficiency or recovery efficiency? Get me the right answer. So next question for you is what is the optimum LAI, leaf area index? What is the optimum leaf area index for plants having vertically oriented leaves? There are certain plants who are having vertically oriented leaves and certain plants who are having horizontally oriented leaves. So what is the optimum leaf area index for the plants who are having vertically oriented leaf? Is it 1 to 2 or is it 3 to 4 or is it 6 to 9 or is it 10 to 15? Get me the right answer. Then question number 17. What is the leaf area index of a plant having 10 leaves? An average leaf area of each leaf is 20 cm square and spacing is 10 cm by 5 cm. Let me repeat the question. What is the leaf area index of a plant having 10 leaves? Average leaf area of each leaf is 20 cm square and spacing is 10 cm by 5 cm. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So next question for you. What is the harvest index of forage crops? Options are 0.1, 0.5, 0.7, 1. Let me repeat the question. What is the harvest index of forage crops? 0.1, 0.5, 0.7, then 1. Next question. Which among the following is a low analysis fertilizer? Do you remember what low analysis fertilizer is? Okay. Get me the correct answer. Urea, DAP, SSP, MOP. Which among the following is a low analysis fertilizer? Urea, DAP, SSP, MOP. Next question. Which among the following is not a straight fertilizer? Is it urea? Is it DAP? Is it SSP? Or is it MOP? Which among the following is not a straight fertilizer? urea, DAP, SSP, MOP. The next question, the equivalent acidity of urea is. What is the equivalent acidity of urea? 80, 86, 110, 127. Next question, the equivalent basicity of calcium cyanamide is. What is the equivalent basicity of calcium cyanamide? Is it 21, is it 25, or is it 29, or is it 63? So next question, ratio of increase in osmotic potential produced by the fertilizer to that produced by the same weight of sodium nitrate based on relative value of 100 is known as. Let me repeat the question. Ratio of increase in osmotic potential produced by the fertilizer to that produced by the same weight of sodium nitrate based on relative value of 100 is known as equivalent acidity, equivalent basicity, salt index, or none of these. Is it equivalent acidity, or is it equivalent basicity, or it is salt index, or is it none of the following options? No. The next question, which among the following is having the longest ligule? Which among the following is having the longest ligule? Is it rice, is it wheat, is it barley, or is it phalaris minor? The contribution of on to the gross photosynthesis of barley is. The contribution of on to the gross photosynthesis of barley is 5%, 12%, 32%, 50%. Tell me the right answer. The next question, which among the following depicts the height from mean sea level? Which among the following depicts the height from mean sea level? Is it latitude, or is it altitude, or is it longitude, or is it lapse rate? Next question for you. Tropic of Cancer is located at 23 degree 26 minute north latitude, 23 degree 26 minutes south latitude, 23 degree 26 minute north longitude, 23 degree 26 minutes south longitude. Let me repeat the question. Tropic of Cancer is located at 23 degree 26 minute north latitude, 23 degree 26 minutes south latitude, 23 degree 26 minute north longitude, 23 degree 26 minutes south longitude. Next question, the CN ratio where there is no net mineralization or immobilization found. The CN ratio where there is no net mineralization or immobilization found. Is it less than 20:1? Is it greater than 30:1? Is it greater than 50:1? Is it 20 to 30:1? Let me repeat the question. The CN ratio where there is no net mineralization or immobilization found. Is it less than 20:1? Is it greater than 30:1? Is it greater than 50:1? Or is it 20 to 30:1? Next question. The mineral nutrient that doesn't combine with any biomolecule inside plant body and live in free ionic form. Let me repeat the question. The mineral nutrient that doesn't combine with any biomolecule inside plant body and live in free ionic form. Is it potassium? Is it calcium? Is it magnesium? Or is it nitrogen? Get me the right answer. Which among the following crop is responsible for the luxury consumption of potassium? Which among the following crop is responsible for the luxury consumption of potassium? Is it rice? Is it wheat? Is it maize, or is it sorghum? Let me again ask the question. Which among the following crop is responsible for the luxury consumption of potassium? Rice, wheat, maize, and sorghum. So these were the selected 30 questions I am asking to you, and feel free to ask whatever, if any point you face any doubt or you cannot understand the concept, and try to solve these answers and give me the answers in the comment section. In the next video, I will discuss all of these questions and I will correlate these things to my previous lectures, what we have read since last 14 days, right? So till then, have a good day. See you tomorrow.